Okay, our next project is the school movie project, where you're going to create a movie about Viking school. Now, everyone's going to be creating the same project here, and you're going to be given all the parts to put together, and then directions for how to put them together. So, going to part one, the plan. Let's take a look at that first. It shows you that there are going to be 12 scenes in this movie, and each scene shows you what you're going to see in each scene, and then it says if there's going to be a voiceover that you're going to read, and if there's going to be an on-screen title that you're going to type in. The first scene is going to be a title over black or blank background, and the title is going to say My School by then your name. Scene 2 is going to be a picture of the front of the school. You're going to say, hi, my name is so-and-so, and this is my school. And there's also going to be an on-screen title that says Viking Middle School. Then there's going to be a map of where the school is. You're going to say this, the classroom, the science lab, the gym, the multi-purpose room, the LRC, the band room. Can you tell what this is? It's the stage. And then you're going to put in eventually a photo of the hallway, but that is not being given to you. And you're going to put in a video of the hallway, which is being given to you. And you're actually going to make the photo of the hallway from the video. So that is the storyboard, the plan. Now to the directions, let's go ahead and import all the media. So it says first import photos of Viking to your iPhoto library. Now I have sent you all the media to your computer desktop, so you're going to find a folder on your desktop that already says School Media, and you're going to open the folder, and there's two items in that folder. You have a bunch of photos that were taken, you have a bunch of videos that were taken. You're going to start by dragging the Viking Photos folder onto the iPhoto icon on your dock. It looks like a camera. I'm going to drop that there, and it's going to import those photos. You might get a welcome or introduction screen that you have to close, okay, and then it's going to import all these photos. Then you can go ahead and quit out of iPhoto, because once those photos are in iPhoto, you're going to be able to access them from iMovie and actually a bunch of other apps. Alright, so then you're going to launch iMovie and import videos of Viking into your iMovie event library. So once we go into iMovie, I believe this is what you will see. You want to change the name. It shouldn't be new project. You want to give it your last name. And how about calling it school? No theme, because you're going to add any themes that you want later on. Hit create. You're going to see a blank project. There's nothing in it, and actually there are no videos to choose from. So in the directions, it's telling you you're going to go to File, Import, Movies, okay, and then the movies are also going to be in that folder on the desktop. So File, Import, Movies, okay, and then I'm going to go to Desktop, in School Media. Okay, then I'm going to click once on the videos folder, and doesn't matter what it says here or here, I'm just going to click import. It's going to import all of these videos. You've selected a directory to import containing 7 items. Proceed. Okay. And it's going to take a minute or a little longer to import all these videos. Alright, so once you have all your media imported, here's what you're going to see. You have your videos right here. And then in order to see the photos, you have to go to the camera pane, which is over here on this side. You're going to see the photos that you imported, different photos of Viking School. So then what it tells you to do is you're going to build the project in the storyboard by putting those photos and videos in the order that they are in the scenes. You're going to only add scenes 2 through 10 and then scene 12. Because scene 1 is added during the titles, because it's just an on-screen title. Scene 11 is this freeze frame that you're going to add after you add all the others. So to add the photos, you view your photos, and then you just drag the photos up into the project. To add video, do kind of the same thing. So I'm going to go into the storyboard. Okay, so here is the storyboard. So remember, I'm skipping scene 1. Scene 2 is a picture of the front of the school. That is only available in a photo. Some of these are going to be just photos, some are going to be just videos, and some of them you'll have a choice of either using a photo or part of the video. Next is a map of Gurney. For that, it's just a photo, but there's going to be another option with that later on. For the classroom, you do have a choice. Okay, so I can either use the classroom photo, or I can find the classroom and select about 5 seconds of it. Doesn't have to be exact, about 5 seconds, and then drag it and drop it up into place in the project. Science lab, same thing. I can choose a photo or I can choose a video. I'm going to choose about a little more than 5 seconds. The gym is next. So this is 11 seconds altogether, and I only need about half of that. The stage is only a photo. And then you're going to skip scene 11, and you're going to add the hallway video. More than 5 seconds of that, probably at least half a minute of the hallway video. Okay, and then I'm going to close this and going to go back to the directions. Okay, and then I'm going to add the freeze frame. To add the freeze frame for frame 11, you're going to move the playhead to the very beginning of the hallway video, and then it says hold down the control key on your keyboard and click on that frame, and you'll get a menu, and you want to choose freeze frame. So I'm going to move right to the beginning of that clip, hold down control on my keyboard, click my mouse, and I want to choose add freeze frame. And then I have this still frame of 4 seconds.